In this video, we will learn about the proper HTML document structure which provides the better readability to the browsers. The first thing I am going to do is type HTML elements and then close this. When we talk about the HTML document structure, everything begins and ends with the HTML element. Every time we see any websites or web page on the internet, this is always going to be there as the root ancestors. Now I am going to create two more elements inside this HTML. The first one is head, and then we'll close this. And the second one is body. In the previous video, we saw the contents, paragraphs, and heading tags. Now that all contents goes inside the body element. For example, we can include the header element here as h1, which says daily routines. And in the paragraph tag, we can write eating, sleeping, and repeating. Now if I save this and refresh my browser, you will see no difference. This is the same thing we were doing previously, but this is the proper way of writing HTML codes. Now in the head section, we include information about our page. For example, let's give our page a title. I will name the page title page. Now if I save this and refresh my browser, I want you to pay attention to the top of the page. Now if I refresh, see, now it says the title page. So the title of the page is important and this goes into the head section. Now there is one final thing that we need to include in our document, and that is very important. Now I am going to type less than symbol, not, doc type, all capital, and then HTML, and then we'll close this tag. This line simply tells the browser that we want to use modern HTML code. Now I must say this is the least exciting topic of this entire video series, but this was important from the structured point of view. Now in the next video, we will learn about the links which when clicked takes you from one page to another.